In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag someone on an Instagram story. So for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and tap this plus sign right here, and then I'm going to select story. After selecting story, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one. So basically, I've opened my gallery and I'm going to choose an image, say for example here. And then in order for us to tag someone, you can go ahead and click this here, the sticker icon at the top. If you're going to tap on that, you should be able to see here mention. Go ahead and click that one. So from this point forward, what you're going to do is just type someone else's Instagram account. So for example, I'm just going to do this one here. Let's go ahead and try to tag our other accounts. So this one. There you go. And then you can go ahead and place this anywhere in the picture. And you can even resize this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it smaller, just like so. And then I'm going to try to put it maybe here at the top is going to be okay. After doing so, just go ahead and tap this icon right here and then click the share button. Click done, and you should be able to see it here being uploaded to your story. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.